it seems.
I'm not mad.
Been through a lot of bad things.
I'm not mad.
Lost self chasing the cream.
I'm not mad.
Rolling solo without a team.
I'm not mad.
May have low self-esteem,
but not mad. I've been happy, content, I've been peaceful, I've been cheerful and optimistic around people. I used to battle a lot, I'm not hungry, and you can laugh all you want, I'm not funny. I'm married with children like Al Bundy. I'm not ghostwriting, no stealing the style from me. I've been ugly like the history of this country. I've been depressed with the thought that nobody could love me. With no chapstick for my lips, I've been crusty. With no deodorant in my pits, I've been musty. I've been judgy, so of course they gon' judge me. I've never been to jail, so I guess I've been lucky. I've been flipped off, ripped off, and pissed off. Not wanting to fight my whole life, I've been soft. I've been a delinquent and highly unruly, a downright donkey with the closest people to me.
Been called a lot of bad things.
I'm not mad.
Done fell off of the scene.
I'm not mad.
Gave up on a few dreams.
I'm not mad.
Reality ain't what it seems.
I'm not mad.
Been through a lot of bad things.
I'm not mad.
Lost self chasing the cream.
I'm not mad.
Rolling solo without a team.
I'm not mad.
May have low self-esteem,
but not mad. I've been quirky since birth, I've been nerdy. I've been upright in this verse since 6:30. Made this beat for myself, I've been selfish. Played D&D in the day, I've been elfish. I've been silly at times, I've been goofy. No need for a medicinal card, I've been loopy. Hello. I've been elated since the day that Shay made it. My wedding day was magical, I wish I could replay it. My college girlfriend probably thinks that I'm a scumbag. I left her for my wife, I hope that karma doesn't come back. I'll be the first to admit I'm not perfect. Before you try to knock me out, I'm not worth it. I've been broke as a joke with no dollars. And can't you tell that I'm lonely with no father? I'm not angry right now, I'm quite blissful. Come on, I'm not mad, those are just my initials.
Been called a lot of bad things.